Well, just after 10 o'clock p.m. on Christmas Eve night, and I'm about to head back home on the subway. This is the latest I've ever taken the subway alone, although I do remember in 2015, I think, I went with my family to the CNE, and we rode the subway at 10 o'clock at night.
9-1, for time.
But I don't think I ever rode the subway alone this late. I don't remember that.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Because normally my mom disapproves me from running it at night, but there's quite a lot of people for Christmas night. I guess all these people went to those events that took place in downtown. They went to look at the lights and everything.
Next station is St. Andrew Station.
Yeah, but this is like the first time I've ever taken the subway by myself this late. And finally I get to go to downtown Toronto at night. Finally I get to ride the subway late at night. I wanted to do this all along. So I'd like to wish everyone Merry Christmas once again. And happy holidays to people who don't celebrate Christmas. Wow, it's very screechy around here. I mean, obviously the subway has to turn to get from Union to St. Andrew, because, you know, now we're merging north again. Do expect to hear those sounds during sharp turns. Already filmed a couple of walking videos, but I feel like I haven't really talked much about my surroundings. Yeah, I honestly don't feel like a professional vlogger, because, you know, when going out at night, I'm basically supposed to talk about my surroundings, but I can't really talk about it if I don't know anything about it. Like, if I don't know anything about the neighborhood, if I don't know anything about buildings in downtown Toronto, or if I don't know about the buildings or about anything, I can't really talk about it, can I? No, all I could talk about is just the same old random stuff, Christmas and Santa, blah, blah, blah. But I do the best I can. I'm just so unknowledgeable due to my limited vocabulary and learning disability. And you can see me in the reflection. I'm still wearing my festive gear. Oh, and I have a bottle of Mountain Dew with me. I got it out of the vending machine.
Arriving Osgood Station. Doors will open on the left.
Yeah, I find that Mountain Dew and Doritos go well together. And now this is actually what I've been talking about in previous videos. Unlock Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. And the same thing, you even see the same thing on the Doritos bag. But this is only going to happen until December 31st, so, you know, they're not going to do the code. Enter code by New Year's Eve 2023. So after that, it's not going to be valid. But yeah, that's what I've been telling you guys about all along.
Next station is.
But you see, Mountain Dew and Doritos have something in common, because they have the code for Xbox Game Pass 1 month subscription on the Doritos bag. So these two go well together. Now, I obviously thought I could renew my subscription by entering another code, but I guess it's because I'm on the same account. It says I need more than one unique code, and I guess I can only enter in the code, like, you know, do this once, where I, you know, buy myself either a bag of where I buy myself a bag of Doritos or a bottle of Mountain Dew and enter the code. Otherwise it would be cheating if I did it more than once. That's just how I feel. It's probably cheating if I, you know, do it more than once. Because, you know, anyone could just go anywhere and buy themselves anywhere, you know, to buy themselves anything, right?
Please start.
So that's probably why why you can only do something like this once. I try my best not to rant about not having very good knowledge or limited vocabulary, but I can't help it. It's just my learning disability. Autism hits me hard.
Arriving at Queen's Park. Queen's Park Station. Doors will open on the left.
I think I'll have another sip of it.
Please stand clear of the doors.
One guy, and he's the
Next station is Museum Station. Museum Station. Doors will open on the left.
You know me? If you work in night, you can add other people. You know me? Me, I can't, because I'm working. Now after that, you don't get my shift.
Please stand clear of the doors.
After holiday, you don't need extra guy. Yeah, Nigel, how many days vacation for him? 2 weeks? Yeah, that's it.
Next station is
What, he's sick?
St. George. St. George Station. Change the line 2. Doors will open on the left.
And here's where we get off. Now I'm going to transfer to line 2, which will take me home. Okay, I should probably put the camera down if I'm surrounded by people. Oh yeah, speaking of Xbox, I'm gonna take a break from gaming probably until Wednesday, because Tuesday is Boxing Day and it still counts as a holiday. I've been playing too much video games in the past, so yeah. Merry Christmas and happy holidays for those who don't celebrate Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.